Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix REANIMAL game not launching, not opening, won't start, unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after you search for the game, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So after checking the system requirements, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, and under general you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and then check. If not, next solution is to run game as administrator. So for that, again go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. So go to the game folder, select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this resolves the issue. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now here you have to search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings and here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. Here is a game application. If you cannot find the game, you can add it. Go to the allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. After select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and then check if it's working. If not, next solution is to delete temp files. So for that, press Windows plus R and have to type temp and press OK. So this will open the temp folder. Here you have to select all and simply click on the delete icon. So this will delete the temp files. After deleting the temp files, check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads. After that, go below. Here you have to click on clear cache option. It will restart your Steam once after clearing the local cache. So simply confirm it and after that log into Steam and then click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to search for those apps which are running in the background under processes tab. So simply you have to select it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely remove the app that is running in the background and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and wait for some time. It will check if any update is available and after updating your Windows, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next method is to update your graphics cards. So you must ensure your graphics cards are also updated to the latest version. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After updating your graphics drivers, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. After it is downloaded, open it. You will get repair or install option. Whatever you get, click on it. Wait for some time. Once it is installed, restart your PC once and then log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to disable antivirus software. So if your PC have antivirus software installed, you are suggested to disable it, and after that try to launch the game. Hopefully this solution will resolve the issue and you can play the game once again. Next is to move game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then also crashing or lagging or other issues can occur. So you are suggested to move the game to SSD, and if it is not installed on SSD, and then try to launch the game. So you can go to Steam and click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on storage, and here you will find the game whether it's installed on SSD or not. So if the game is not installed on SSD and it's on other drive, you simply have to select it and click on move option. So this will move the game to SSD. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to install DirectX. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX. After downloading it, open it and install it. Once you install it, restart your PC and then log into the game and check. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game to the list, now click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall REANIMAL game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After that, restart your PC and then launch Steam and again reinstall REANIMAL game once again, and after that click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.